Surrounded by evil intent and whispering eyes, surveying the battlefield and praying up to the skies. My weapon of choice could make a big squeal before we could die. Steel blade attached at an angle, we swinging for flies. Word. Swinging at the flies like swing, 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 swing. Yo, Don.
Hopping out the cargo truck, we on a drill geek. Tires and the speakers is both making an ill screech. So speak ill of the bros, you know we will beef. 25 kills in a row, another kill streak. King of the hill peak, it's all funnin'. Games till I pull out the blade and start cutting. Old eagle in the trenches, John Runyon. I'd rather go big with the axe like Paul Bunyan. Something more in proportion, a sportsman. One swing will make a limb do a contortion. Two swings, you will end up losing a portion. Three swings, it turn a human to an abortion. Drop a kid right on the spot, I'm on my stork shit. Take him out soon as we meet, this ain't a courtship. Knife sticking out of your face, make you a swordfish. Couple blades lifting you up, it's like a forklift. I'm amorphous, really there ain't no seeing me. Run up in the house like a B&E. Line 'em up, DMV. Hatchet for the weapon and your team will be hacked up from every direction, it's like it's three of me. Easily, doing shit that seems to be impossible. Went from diabolical to totally unstoppable. Mag after mag after mag, periodical. Knife moving fast as a bullet, that's paradoxical.
Surrounded by evil intent and whispering eyes, surveying the battlefield and praying up to the skies. My weapon of choice could make a big squeal before we could die. Steel blade attached at an angle, we swinging for flies.